Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy hump day, happy Wednesday. We're mid through the week. So as you can see by the title on this video, today we are doing another BOXYCHARM versus IPSY GLAM Bag Plus. I asked you guys actually like a few weeks ago on Instagram if you guys like to see these unboxings, if you enjoyed seeing both boxes like battling against each other to see which box takes the prize for the month of March. You guys said that you enjoy me doing a little battle of the box, so here we are again. I'm using products from both of the boxes and we're gonna see which box takes the cake for the month. If you guys want to unbox with me, try these products with me, or just watch me try them, go ahead and keep on watching and let's jump right in. All right, let's get started. So I'm going to show you guys really quickly just the box. I don't know why, I feel like I have to, okay? This is the BOXYCHARM. The little theme in this month's box is very springy, which is totally appropriate because we are right around the corner from spring. Pretty sure. This is what the BOXYCHARM little card looks like. It just says La Vie and Rosé, and then as always it has back here the info, the prices, products that you are getting, and this is what we received this month. And like always, my IPSY bag or my IPSY box always comes all sorts of crazy. Like, I don't know what the deal is, but they always come like open like this or like all ripped. I don't know. This is the March Glam Bag Plus, and again, this is the list of products of what we got, and then here is the products that we got. When I opened my IPSY bag, I was like, oh my god, I saw some really cool stuff. So let's jump right into comparing BOXYCHARM versus IPSY Glam Bag. Before we start, what box are you rooting for? Are you team BOXYCHARM or are you team IPSY Glam Bag Plus? Okay, let's take a look. So we do have a mask from BOXYCHARM, and I'm low-key like kind of over masks. I have so many. I like to stick with masks that I know that work for my skin, which most of the masks that I do use are from Glam Glow. That's just the brand that I'm familiar with, that my skin is familiar with. So yeah, this is the Wonder Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. It retails for $34. To be honest with you guys, I don't even want to try this because I've already primed my skin and moisturized it. So I don't want to go through the steps of doing a peel off mask and doing everything else. So for this time, I am just going to put this to the side and maybe add it to one of my upcoming giveaway boxes, because yeah, I just don't think I'm going to use this one, or maybe I'll just pass it on to my sister. I don't know, but we're not going to try the Wonder Beauty face mask today. Sorry. Jumping into the IPSY Glam Bag Plus, we did receive this moisturizer. This is the PURLISSE Prevents Blue Lotus Balancing Moisturizer. It says hydration, fine line prevention, and perfect for under eye makeup for normal, dry to sensitive skin. Now this one retailed for $45. Girl, that's a lot of money. This is what it looks like. This is the packaging. Let's open her up. Now, we have received PURLISSE products before in my IPSY Glam Bag Plus. We've actually received a face mask, which I really like from this brand. It's almost like an exfoliator as well. So I am going to use this one. In my BOXYCHARM, I didn't receive a lot of like face products this time, it feels like. So what I'm going to do now is I am jumping back into my IPSY Glam Bag Plus because we did receive this Dandelion Shine Beam Nude Pink Matte Radiance Highlighter by Benefit. This is a value of $26. So it's a nail polish like brush that makes it easy to paint on the areas you want to highlight, then just use your finger to blend it out. We are now baking at 360 degrees. I'm going to now take the Cover FX palette. And jumping back into BOXYCHARM again, we received these Moda Powder and Soft Glow, excellent for wet and dry products. Now, this brand can actually be found at Walmart. Yeah, Walmart. I was going to say Waltart. As you can see, I have used mine Don't mind it. I don't know, I was just wanting to try it and I did. So this is supposed to be for powder. This is supposed to be for highlights. But you know what? We break the rules here. So I am going to take this contour shade and I'm actually going to peel off the little, if I can. Oh, I think this is going to make me look muddy. No. I feel like it's one of those powders that if you're not careful with it, you can easily look muddy. And girl, I ain't trying to look muddy today. I'm trying to look cute. Okay, let me grab the blush. Now, this isn't a color that I normally would pick. You guys know that I like peach colored blushes, but whatever. We're going to go with it. That's what the looks like. Now, let's see. I am taking that little brush again, and I am going to sweep it, I think, on this highlighter shade, since it seems to be more suitable for my skin tone. Oh, okay, that's pretty. That I do like. It's a very soft highlighter. It's not going to be like super intense, but I like that. I like that. I don't like this brush, you guys. I thought I liked it for highlighting, but I don't. It's a little too flimsy for me. This is supposed to be a brightener, which I am guessing it's going to like make the highlighter a little bit brighter. Yep. Just as I expected. Jumping back to the IPSY Glam Bag Plus. OMG, you guys. Look at what we got. A Huda Beauty Obsessions eyeshadow palette. I just bought one, the one that has like those jewel tone colors that I did for my Pisces tutorial. Yeah, I just got one for free and I was this close to actually picking this one up and I'm really excited that I didn't. We also received this Be Beautiful BU F.A.R.A.H brushes. And let me check out the prices. So the 5-piece Eye Perfection set, it's at a value of $50. Wow. F.A.R.A.H. I don't know if I've heard of that brand before. I think I have, especially in like these boxes. And then the Huda Beauty Obsessions palette in coral is at a value of $27. So y'all know that I'm going to use this one. I'm also going to use these eye brushes. We're going to test them out and see how good they are. All right, lids are primed. So you guys already know what I use. I am really liking this glow. I almost feel like it's looking a little bit more like from within. Okay, so the first brush I'm going to take is this one right here. Oh, 6 Short Shading. There we go. And I think I'm going to dig into this shade. I'm going to try and make this look a little more natural and not so crazy like every single one of my tutorials. So again, I'm just going to take that and I'm just going to pack it on. Whoo! Mother Load Pigment. And then I am taking the brush 3 Mini Tapered Blending, which is the small one. And I think I'm going to dig into this shade up here and apply it closest to the crease. I'm also going to pick up a little bit of this peach shade and also apply it to the crease. And then I'm going to take the fluffiest one with no product. Actually, I am going to grab a little bit of that soft peach, this one, and just blend it up a little bit higher. I did add a little bit of brown in my waterline. This is the Makeup Forever Limitless Brown. It's an eyeliner and a lip pencil. So now I think I'm going to take this shade, this really pretty like corally peach, and I did wet my brush. This is the Fly Wings. So I think this is supposed to be for an eyeliner, but I would never use this for an eyeliner. So I'm just going to pop that into the inner corner. Oh my god, that is so beautiful. You guys see that? In the BOXYCHARM, we got this Manna Kadar Beauty Bloom Volumizing Mascara, which looks like this. The packaging is really cute and like different. This barely has any product in it. It's like a very dry mascara. Okay, I think this mascara is a no for me. I'm going to give it to my sister because she doesn't wear false lashes. I'm gonna see if she likes it, but I think that's it. We're going to try some lipsticks. I'm going to pop on some lashes and we can finish off the face. All right, let's finish off the look by applying some liquid lipstick, and obviously I'm gonna go with this one. Now this is the one that we got in our BOXYCHARM. This is by the brand REALHER. It's the I Am Adaptable liquid lipstick in the shade I Am Adaptable. This one has a value of $14, and I mean the color is really pretty, totally summer appropriate, and it goes with this look. Would you look at that? Now in the BOXYCHARM we also received a liquid lipstick. This is the OFRA long lasting liquid lipstick in the shade Monaco, which it's not me. I don't wear metallic liquid lipsticks. Like, never was really into them. It was never my thing. And it's pink, which is not my color. So I am gonna have to pass on that. Oh my god, this color is so pretty. We like her. And guys, that is everything that we received in this month's BOXYCHARM and in this month's IPSY GLAM Bag Plus. Oh my god, I have to say this is probably one of my favorite boxes that we've received since the beginning of the year. Like, seriously, I think this is one of my favorite boxes. First of all, I want to say, and this is just my personal opinion, I think IPSY definitely won the round, woohoo, for this month's box. What do you guys think? Oh my god, I am obsessed with this liquid lipstick, the one that I'm wearing, the red one. It is so beautiful, so comfortable, and it makes your teeth super white. Like, yay for white teeth. So yep, in my eyes, IPSY definitely won the prize this month. Just with that Huda Beauty palette, I just had a feeling that this box was going to be the one. So let me know, share your thoughts in the comment section down below. What do you guys think? What box did you like for the month of March? Thank you guys for joining me today. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, BOXYCHARM versus IPSY. I love you chicas and chicos so much. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification to stay updated with all my videos. I upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Thank you guys again for joining me today. I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye.